China cleared. Flight path 12. Volts. Take off flat. High rate.
Yeah. Here's aileron throttles now. Elevator.
12.5.
And the rudder. That's all she has. Can't really get a whole lot more out of the rudder without doing some major changes, like a longer servo horn, which there is barely room for in there because you need 2 servo horns in here for the elevator and the rudder just about collide as it is. So I guess I can add just a little bit, 1 more hole worth. We'll see if I get to bother with that or not. Probably not. I just gotta remind myself that this is not a 3D plane, and whatever rudder I have is probably good enough. Anyway, I wonder if I'm gonna be able to take off in the grass here. True Tundra takeoff should be fine. No problem. Oops, that's the wrong way. Yeah, it's a little bit turbulent around there.
Flight pack 11.0 volts.
Yeah, after thinking about my crash the other day, or yesterday, was it yesterday? Yeah, it was yesterday. After thinking it over, I know what happened. I flew my 38-inch future model Edge first, tackle that, and then I started the Tundra, and takeoff went fine. Then I got in the air, and suddenly my brain went back to edge flying, I think, and I tried an inverted flat spin way too low for the Tundra and way too slow exit speed. It's like, yeah, that's just not going to work with the Tundra. So yeah, it's just a matter of getting my brain to realize that, hey, you're not flying a 3D plane. For future reference, so I should probably fly the Tundra first, and then 3D planes will be alright. So, oh, wind.
Flight pack 11.1 volts. Flight pack 11.0 volts.
Oh, tree over there. I tell you, these trees just pop out of nowhere. Even though they've been there longer than I have, they still kind of jump out at me. This time I'm gonna not carry enough speed through there and not be able to clear the tree. Do some kind of wind or something. Oh well. Not the end of the world. Should I hit a tree, I suppose? We'll get it down and fix it if need be and go on flying. If it's not fixable, we'll buy a new one. I noticed the kits were on sale for like 80 some bucks the other day. And I thought, I crashed the Tundra enough to know that it's pretty stout and fairly easily to fix. So I don't know if I'm going to need a replacement ever.
Takeoff flaps. Landing flaps.
Maybe not.
Landing flaps.
Ah, what?
Flaps
Keep
up. Flight
putting
pack
those.
10.6
Why do I keep
volts.
doing those flaps the wrong way? See, before with my slowly deploying flaps wasn't a big deal, but now that they just snap right out, it kind of becomes a big deal when you screw it up.
Flight pack 10.6. Landing flaps. Flaps up.
You're instantly doing something you don't want to do.
Time remaining 1 minute. Flight pack 11.1 volts. Flight pack 10.9 volts. Landing flaps 30 seconds. Flight pack 11.0 volts.
Oh, a little hard there, right on the uphill part of the terrain.
Flight pack 11.2
No,
volts.
no damage. A little bit of bent wheel again, I guess. Twisted or whatever. Still bent a little bit. Yeah, that little bump there in the terrain, kind of not the best place to land, I suppose, in hindsight. But, you know, keeping track of all the plane and the terrain and the wind and everything all at the same time, not always the easiest.
Takeoff flaps.
So, let's see if we're gonna go past that. We'll try one more time.
Throttle cut off. Flight pack 11.6 volts.
Try one more landing here, I guess. Should have enough oomph in the battery.
Flight pack 11.0 volts. Landing flaps.
Oh, I did it again, right in the same spot.
Flight pack
I like it.
11.2 volts.
I swore I was coming in further away.
Expired.
Or further, closer, I should say, not further away. But I guess I wasn't.
Flight pack 10.7 volts.
One more try here and see what we can
Landing flaps.
come up with. That's better.
Flight pack
There we go. That's better.
1 volt.
There we go. Tundra flies.